I'm going to show you another example of playing a song using the number system on the bass. So let's take the classic worship song, Here I Am to Worship. Now this song would look like this. Here's the verse. One, 5, 4. Once again, if you don't understand this format I'm using, go back and watch the lesson on the new and improved chord charts. And you'll need part 2 to understand this. By the way, the time signature for most worship songs are 4/4. That's probably the most common one for all songs, pop songs as well. But okay. Da, 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 3, 4. And here's the chorus. Here I am to worship. Here I am. Now, whenever you come into a chord, a slash chord, if you're not sure what that means, that basically means two things. It's telling you to play a 5 chord, but play as the lowest note in whoever's playing. The lowest note should be a 7 note. So for bass players, all you want to do is play whatever is on the right hand side or the bottom. Here's another slash chord. Together. Four. Okay, so that right there is the song without the bridge. All the rhythm the time frame is here in the columns, and all the notes that you need to know are right there. Now, what this system doesn't tell you, just like any chord chart wouldn't tell you, is the rhythm of the song or the tempo of the song. But that's something that you just have to listen to, figure out what the kick pattern is doing if you want to play along with it. What I would recommend for you, just to be practicing this system, is just play eighth notes or quarter notes in order to get used to this system, to learn the fretboard and the scale and how to read it in this way until you can get it. Then you can start playing, throw some grooves in there and it'll sound awesome. Okay, here we go. So on the bass, all you need to know is what key. What key are you playing? So, and that could be, depending on whoever's leading worship, whoever's singing the song. Females are leading, it's probably going to be a different key, and males, it's going to be a different key. If it's a small group, you're probably going to want to lead in a little lower key. If it's in a large conference where people are going to be shouting out the lyrics, you probably want a key just a little higher. But that is what is beautiful about this system, is you can play it in any key. Just for fun, let's say we want to play this in the key of C sharp. So if you're in the key of C sharp is right there. That's where 1 is. So all the notes for the verse would be 1, 5, 2, 1, 5, 4. 5, 4. That is the whole verse. That's it. And then you get to the chorus. Here I am to worship. Here I am to bow down. 7. Now remember, there's a 7 right here, but I would probably play this lower 7 because notes up this high on the bass kind of start sounding weird for, especially for a chorus of a song where you want it to be big. So 7 is here. 1/3, you want a 3. Yes, there's a 3 here, but there's also a 3 right down here. and 4. There's a 4 here, but using the octave trick, there's a 4 right there. So that would be another example of playing a worship song using the system. And once again, now you can change keys. I'll change color. Let's say we're playing it in the key of A. A is right here. You start it there. I'm not even going to erase this, but you got 1, 2, 5, 4. You got 3 here. And that's no 6, right? Yeah, 1, 7, 3, 7. There. You can play it right there as well. Okay.